How to fix Oblivion Remastered fatal error. So if you pretty much get this error over here, there's a few methods or options you can choose in order to potentially help you with this problem. Now first, it's caused by GPU driver and hardware conflicts, Windows security and antivirus blocking files, corrupted game files, overlays and background apps, and Game Pass version issues. So over here we have a few options that you can fix this. First is to update your GPU drivers. You can download the first driver to support Oblivion Remastered. You can do this in the software for your specific GPU, gaming and graphics. But as long as you get to update your GPU drivers, then that should be good enough. Next is to run the game as administer compatibility. So it's pretty much easy to do this. If you're doing it in Steam, you can just go ahead to the properties or compatibility tab. You can run as administrator and compatibility mode Windows 8 and disable full screen optimizations. You can also disable overlays on all platforms. So overlays from apps like Steam can interfere with the game's rendering engine. Pretty much disabling them often resolves crashes, so especially on startup or intensive scenes. So in Steam, you can do this in the uncheck enable Steam overlay. If you wanna disable Discord, you can also do it at the game overlay section. But as long as you disable the overlays, you can go ahead and try and see if this is what can work for you. You can also allow game to controlled folder access. So to do this, go to Windows Security, Ransomware Protection, and allow app to controlled folder access. You can finally add the following exceptions over here. And you can also try renaming or deleting this specific on an NVIDIA DLL conflict. So the steps for this is to navigate to this section, to the backup, rename the original file to this, or delete it entirely. Then you can try relaunching the game to test if this can work. But hopefully one of these methods can help for you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.